Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw customer tickets from Freshdesk into AI knowledge bases. Complete guide. Begin by logging into your Freshdesk account. Navigate to the customer tickets section. Identify the tickets you wish to withdraw for your AI knowledge base. Select the relevant tickets by clicking on them. Use the export option to download the selected tickets. Choose your desired file format, typically CSV or Excel. Once the download is complete, open the file on your computer. Review the contents to ensure all necessary information is included. Prepare the data for uploading by formatting it according to your AI knowledge base requirements. Access your AI knowledge base platform. Locate the import or upload function within the knowledge base. Select the option to upload the file you downloaded from Freshdesk. Map the fields from your Freshdesk tickets to the corresponding fields in the knowledge base. Ensure that all necessary fields are properly aligned for successful import. Confirm the upload process and initiate it. Monitor the progress of the import to ensure no errors occur. Once the import is complete, review the newly created entries in your AI knowledge base. Test a few entries to ensure they are functioning as intended. Make any necessary adjustments to the content if required. Finally, keep your knowledge base updated by regularly withdrawing customer tickets from Freshdesk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.